Hi everyone, I'm Christina and today we are going to take a look at can I reschedule a post that has already been posted. So let's go inside Squirrly Social, like so. And now by going over here to post groups, to finish sending, we have this icon over here, Reschedule using AI. By clicking on this icon, you have this warning over here that please add your ChatGPT key in your account settings. Because in order for Squirrly Social to reschedule a post that has already been published, it's going to use AI. So it will need the connection with ChatGPT in order to be able to do so. So we have to go over here to our name, to account settings, to ChatGPT over here, and then add the ChatGPT key over here. So I'm going to log in inside a different Squirrly Social account where I have the ChatGPT connection made, like so. And now by going to post groups, I'm going to choose a different post group, and then by clicking over here to finish sending, I can simply select a post that I want to reschedule. Let's say this one, and I can simply click over here, reschedule using AI. And I can see this notification over here, post rescheduled using AI successfully. So let's go over here to drafts. I can see my post over here, and by clicking over here to edit, I can see the new post caption over here. So it's basically a fresh new post. I can change the status over here to approve if I want to, and I can also change the post group from over here if I want to as well. I can also change the caption if I want to, or the image. So it's that simple to reschedule a post using AI. So basically, Squirrly Social will automatically generate a fresh caption using AI, so the content feels new, even if you are using the same image or link. This helps keep your content strategy consistent without sounding repetitive. So what that you have to remember is that you have to have that connection made between Squirrly Social and ChatGPT in order to be able to use this feature Reschedule using AI. So thank you for tuning in. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep optimizing your online presence. Until next time.